Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Qanda app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on menu down here, and you just click on it. So when you click here on menu, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You come here to autosave recent search history here. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here autosave recent search history disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.